Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix these errors on your Discord. Let's begin. First, go over here on your Windows Start menu. Look up for Windows Security. All right. Windows Security. Click over here. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection. You would like to go to either Allowed Threats or Protection History. Protection History, go over here. Now, if you see the same error, I would like you to click on it. Now, here, mine, I don't have any since I have resolved it days ago, but it should look something like this. So you will notice a button for actions. Click on it and then turn on. You can simply close everything now, relaunch your Discord, and everything should now be working smoothly as ever. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.